A Climate Crisis and Human Rights by Group 5. Human rights and climate change is a concept of legal work that study and analyze the impact of change of human rights. This work concept involves governmental and non-governmental organizations that are broadcast nationally and internationally by guiding policies related to human rights and climate change. Climate change will affect to the protection of human rights such as those relate to health and life, namely the right to food, air, and shelter. Climate change will also have an impact on rights related to livelihoods and culture, namely migration and transmigration, as well as personal safety and security in times of conflict.
The database was collected from a variety of sources, including United Nations agencies, non-governmental organizations, insurance companies, research institutes, and the press agents. The disaster study were droughts, earthquakes, epidemic, extreme temperature, flood, fog, glacial, lake explosion, space impact, and insect attack. Likewise, landslide, strong volcanic activity, mass movement, and the forest fire are included in the focus of the research. Factors that determine the impact of natural disaster in Earth's country include the number of disaster, the damage caused, the people affected, and the number of fatality. Affected countries are China, India, Bangladesh, Philippines.
Increasing concentration of greenhouse gases make the atmosphere thicker. The thickening of the atmosphere causes the amount of geothermal heat trapped in the Earth's atmosphere to increase, resulting in an increase in the Earth's temperature, which is less global warming. Climate variability is seen in crest that occur over a short period of time, such as a month, a season, or a year. Meanwhile, climate change occurs over a longer period of time, that is within days or more. Climate change refers to a significant change in the average stage of the climate or its variability over a long period of time, days or longer.
The climate damage that occurs in human rights involves many business people from the sector and superpower countries such as China, America, the European Union, which has an industrial sector such that it produces greenhouse gas emissions that cause pollution that threats the safety of the earth as well as from influencer economics. Plato and Other and involving several irresponsible parties with losses of the billions it because the men with human are involved.
Again, this backdrop, the first legal debates to receive high level of public theory focused on climate reforms and on the search for adequate models of protection. The recommended approach ascribes adequate between pursuing a new convention on climate refuges and Madden to the Genf Conference or the United Nations. Framework Convention on Climate Change. This approach, which might be called the treaty approach, has not proven feasible for a variety of reasons. In certain cases, if often professed, empirically default to decipher the driver people movements. Whatever there are climate and other environment or economic causes. It has therefore climate it has therefore profit equal different to risk and acceptable definition of the dream limit trigger for legal and scientific purpose. Last but not least, there is no political appetite among countries for new or amended. There's under favor or climate regimes. Moreover, from a protestation perspective, the debate initially placed a strong emphasis on those fleeing natural disasters occurs international births with a high degree of focus on the visible example of environmental forecast migrant from certain and sinking small island nation, while not in Kulman.
Even under the best case scenario, hundreds of millions would face food insecurity, forced migration, disease, and death. Climate change threatens the future of human rights and risks undermining progress of the last 15 years in development, global health, and poverty reduction. Tackling climate change will require fundamental change in the global economy. Spiriting increased economy will be from fossil fuel emission. As a competent authority in the country, the government must make policies based on the scope that exists in every country with a company that is established. The local government must be aligned to provide SOP that must be firmly established. If the happens continuously, there are many and will keep repeating the same things increase from the rules of the government. The founders of the company must also have their own policies from the community so that they can help restore their country and make our economy natural. Even under the best case scenario, hundreds of millions of face food insecurity, forced migration, disease, and death. Climate change threatens the future of human rights and risks undermining that last 50 years of progress in the development, global health, and poverty reduction. Tackling climate change will require fundamental change in the global economy, sparing improving economic well-being from fossil fuel emission, humans have a huge responsibility to at least return to Earth to a better condition as it was used to be. Various efforts and mitigation continue to be carried out on a large scale to reduce the overcome climate change in the fast time. Below are some ongoing global steps to tackle climate change. A. Using renewable and environmentally friendly energy sources. B. Limiting the use of fossil fuel vehicles. C. Planting forests and large scale.
Okay, thank you for listening. Goodbye.